Welcome to the Fuller Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 4:28 p.m. That is Central Time, and today is October 23rd. There has been a lot going on today, and a lot of it has to do with the energy sector. So, yesterday, you had, well, I guess it was Tuesday. On Tuesday, they announced that there was going to be 1 million barrels added to the strategic reserve. Then, yesterday, there was the announcement that sanctions would be imposed upon uh, the major Russian oil companies like Rosneft and Lukoil, and that had a knock-on effect for a drop in demand from countries like India and China, and they don't want to be subject to additional sanctions. And then today, there was the announcement that there's going to be drilling in the uh, Wildlife Nature Reserve in Alaska. So there are a lot of things that are happening here, but some are clearly designed to support the price, right in the region of the lows from earlier this year. That's $60 on Brent crude and around $55 on West Texas Intermediate. So that's pretty clear confirmation that the effort to bring prices down in order to pressure Russia has probably reached its full extent, and that they are now looking to deploy other weapons, such as sanctioning the Russian oil companies. But what, of course, it also does is it introduces an additional risk premium and raises an important question about exactly whether these sanctions will have the desired effect on Russia, whether they will come to the table or not. What we did see then in reaction to some of this was that the dollar was mildly more positive. Gold rebounded. Obviously, oil prices were firm. Then bond yields were a little bit firmer as well. So you have the 10-year yield closing at almost exactly 4%. And then the Nasdaq was up a couple of hundred points. Copper, the COMEX contract at least, closed back above the 500 level. We continue to see that Bitcoin is quite volatile. It's closing out the day around the 109,000 level, up mildly. And then within the commodity complex, we've had quite profound volatility in Arabica coffee, where the high was at 437 and it closed out the day at 410. And that is actually only down 10 on the